Hey everyone, I'm Heinz and welcome to my channel. Firstly, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you that is helping this channel grow. All of your likes, comments, and subscribes are really appreciated. Now, one of the comments that I get the most is regarding the Waka Waka EA and if it is as good as it claims to be. And for this reason, in this video, we'll take a closer look at how the expert advisor works and if it is worth purchasing. Now, the Expert Advisor is an advanced grid trading bot that uses multiple indicators and different advanced filters to trade three different currency pairs from a single chart. Now, before I decide to purchase or acquire any expert advisor, the first step that I do is do a little bit of research about the bot and the author. And for this reason, it is always recommended that you do your own research regarding EAs. Now, when I start off with my research, it's as simple as Googling the expert advisor and looking for different information available about the trading bot. This includes watching multiple reviews that showcase the EA. And what I found is that predominantly most of these that have results are very good. However, there are some that talk about the dangers of grid and martingale. Now, it is important to note that grids and martingales can be very dangerous. However, the bot has proven over the past 5 years that it can be very profitable trading these types of strategies. When we approach the MQL5 website, we are also provided with 40 reviews of people that have already purchased this expert advisor. And what we can see from the high rating is that predominantly most of the people have given positive reviews and feedbacks, some even calling it one of the best and safest expert advisors available on the market. Now, when I'm looking at these higher end expert advisors, I'm generally looking for a proven track record that has lasted multiple months or even years. And in this case, Waka Waka doesn't disappoint because it provides us with a signal that showcases the live performance of the expert advisor. Now, when looking at the details of a signal, it is important that you are able to verify the trading results, meaning the author isn't able to just drop in a new account when the other one blows. And to do this, what I do is I compare the returns of when the expert advisor started, which is in June of 2018, to the results that I found on myfxbook. By double comparing the results and making sure that it is the same account, it is another way of verifying the returns. And you will see since June of 2018, it has already made a gain of over 7,500%. And the myfxbook account also provides us with different statistics that can be very important when deciding which expert advisors to purchase. Over the past 5 years, it's given us a good profit factor of 1.75. And then as a last step, I like to select specific months and compare those as well. So you'll see in June of 2018, it made a 10.83% return. And then on top of that, I take a more recent time, for example, August of 2023, where it did a 3.36% return. Now, when we take a look at some of the features that are mentioned on the description page, you'll see that it is a one-chart setup, meaning you can only attach it to one chart and it will trade multiple symbols at the same time. It is also backed up by a solid backtest and very good live performance. On top of this, you also don't need to adjust the expert advisor for GMT time zones because it's already written into the code. It is very easy to use, and what we'll do next is take a look if we can get a similar trading result in the MT5 backtester compared to the live signal. I like to do this especially for these types of bots to make sure that the live performance can be replicated by me trading it in the market. So what we are going to do for this is go back to the signal page and look at a specific time from where we can test it until today, and then compare our drawdown and return to that achieved by the live signal, for which you will also receive a free set file with purchase. The set files for the bot are available after purchase, and they are actually made using the same information as the signal. Now, when we look at the recent history, you'll see that it also has a holiday filter. So what I'm going to do is start off in January of 2023 at an equity of 5,450, rounding it up, and see if we are able to trade until an equity of $6,227. By doing this, I can verify and see if I use settings, if I can replicate the same results. So for the back test, we'll be using the recommended symbol, which is the AUD CAD, on the 15-minute time frame. And I'll be testing from the 10th of January until the 25th of October using a deposit of 5,450, which is similar to that of the test. For my modeling quality, I'll be using the most accurate modeling, which is every tick based on real ticks. Now, the lot sizing method that I've selected is the low risk one, which replicates that of the signal. And after performing multiple backtests and learning the settings and getting to know the bot a little bit better, I came up with the following results. So using the low risk settings, which determines the lot size at a very low quantity, let's see the results and explain a little bit more about how the grid works. Now, the advanced grid trading bot does have multiple indicators and filters that you can use to get the perfect type to fit your own unique trading style. And after some adapting and changes, you'll notice that the equity and balance curve works of that of similar to other martingale or grid style bots, where when the market is starting to trend against you, it continues placing trades which will cause drawdown. However, because of the advanced system and different filters that are available, it is able to survive these drawdown periods, and the equity and balance curve are very similar to that of the signal. When selecting an expert advisor, it is important that in the backtest that you are able to replicate the results of the live signal, because this serves as an additional confirmation that the bot would work well in the live market. Now, taking that period from 10th of January 2023 until the 24th of October 2023, you'll see that we were able to end on an equity amount that is very similar to that of the author, which in my shows me that the bot would be able to perform very similar to the results that they've been getting over the past 5 years. So our total net profit for the short test was $982.70, with a $946 equity drawdown, or 15.81%. During this, 422 trades were placed, and we were able to get a profit factor of 2.21, with a win rate of over 80%. As with most of these style bots, you'll notice that our average profit is lower than our average lots. And I do believe with further optimization, you would be able to get an even better result. So what I'll do for our next video on the channel is we'll take a closer look at the settings and the advanced grid that this bot uses. Now, I've found a way that you can acquire the bot for less money, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description and comments below. So I hope that you found this video informative and helpful. And if you've enjoyed any part of this video, I'm going to ask you to drop this video a like and subscribe for more. So let me know your thoughts about the expert advisor in the comments, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.